Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to today's show. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pineapple fried rice. It has many different colors from the vegetables and it's made extra tasty by using the new tropical heat curry powder. I hope you like it. Let's get started. So this is a very interesting recipe because it's a recipe that you use for leftover rice. So right now I have for the ingredients cold rice, some cooked peas, green peas. Coriander is optional and that's can be for the garnish. Pineapple fried rice. So the pineapple will literally come through. Some onions. This is about one large onion chopped, about one large carrot, mixed colored peppers. So this is red and yellow. A small amount is basically what you need to do whenever you're making a fried rice is the amount of vegetables in total should not be more than the rice. And then you have salt and of course the new and improved curry powder from Tropical Heat. Now this has a lot of flavor. I always love opening it. When you're opening it, you smell it. I love that smell. Then I like what I will taste. So that's one trick you can use for for spices. Now I'll start by basically the idea is to fry the vegetables, and in this case I'm going to fry them all together. So a little bit of the onion. Remember, as I said, just use your eyes to your estimation to see how much. Everything should be about the same amount. And then the pineapple, I'm going to add it at the last moment. And then the frozen peas. So it's about the colors. You see now it's a rainbow of colors. We want a colorful dish. Actually at this stage I'll add some salt. If you already had salt in the rice, then don't over salt it by adding too much salt, because if this has salt, the only salt you need will be for the vegetables. And cooking this should take about 3 minutes until they are soft but still crunchy. For this amount of rice I'll add about 2 tablespoons of curry powder. So now stirring it, you can see now the vegetables are all covered in the spice. And then it's at this stage I'm going to add the cooked rice. When you're adding the rice, make sure it's already fluffed up. It's not in lumps. Now stirring it until the flavors and all the vegetables are mixed into the rice. Clearly this is a vegetarian dish. If you like meat, you can always add some meat. But for the meat, I would probably cook it in advance or separately. Now at this stage, it's when I add the pineapple. So that's it. The idea now is just to wait for the rice to be hot. So turn off the heat and now it's just serving. Now this you can have it as a main meal, like basically as a meal by itself, or you can also have it as an accompaniment of a meat dish. The rice has the flavor from the curry powder, the vegetables are cooked, they are crunchy, and then the pineapple, just as you bite into it, it just explodes in your mouth with sweetness. Today I've been making a pineapple fried rice made extra tasty using the Tropical Heat curry powder, and I hope you'll try and give me the feedback whenever you try. Let me know how yours is turned out, or any feedback that you may have when you're using the new Tropical Heat curry powder. And until next time, goodbye.